So we about to get on this transit and go to Oregon to Texas. We about to take the train to Texas instead of the airplane. So mom is wrong, and so.
Good morning, y'all. So we are at the airport. We made it to our gate, but we're super early, and that's okay because I did not want to be any form of late when I got him. Like, it wasn't no running and making it nowhere. But it's currently 10:24. I don't know what time they started boarding, probably like around 11 something, but we're supposed to take off at 11:55, and yeah, we're on our way to Houston, Texas. I just wanted to come and check in and let y'all know what's going on. It wasn't too bad in the airport. It was a decent amount of people, but it wasn't like overly. I thought it was gonna be a lot of people because it's Beyonce weekend and she in town, but luckily it was a smooth little transition. So we just gonna chill out. I don't know, maybe eat a snack or two and wait until the plane gets here. I don't know how much time we got left, but I'm hungry. I'm gonna
eat. Too much. On my side of town, we get a Sprite down $1.25.
Hey, we just landed.
Put a real life chicken strip.
One little bitty chicken strip. I can't believe they put that little bitty.
It start like down here.
We finna show her that.
It's okay. I see the chicken on the other side. Maybe I was eating it from the wrong side.
You're supposed to be able to eat it from both sides and hit chicken. They don't say eat it from a certain side because the chicken gonna be on the left. Hey, one more thing. I didn't put no chicken in my daughter's wrap. No chicken in her wrap.
Literally no chicken.
I'll bring her another chicken wrap, man.
Okay. I'm not getting out.
Well, that's all right.
It's okay.
That's okay. Tell them they didn't put no chicken in the... Who the hell did that shit? Damn chicken tender say fine me. Yeah, man. Doo-dooed in my kitchen. Twice. I went off the first time. I said, this better not ever happen again. And he did it again. I let him sleep. And Justin kept saying, no, I can't leave him here. Daddy, I can't leave him here. I say, man, what? Try to wake him up. Justin tried to wake him up. That nigga pushed Justin and closed the door and went back to sleep. He said, he pushed him and slammed the door. I say, see? We gonna leave his ass right here in the parking thing.
What did Michaela say? She wanted
They
to
go out there and grab food, can't they? Yeah. Get
just
up.
can't hang out outside.
Yo, that shit. Well, I'm one of the kids.
Okay, so these are the seats.
Finally could charge my phone. Yeah, I'm getting his swimsuit out.
Oh, you getting it?
How long you gonna be here?
To Tuesday.
Oh, for a good time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to drink. You guys are doing.
You know how to swim.
She got eyelids. Whatever.
No, she still know how to swim.
Wait, hold on. Wait,
No, he don't get in trouble for that.
Give me a second. On the count of three, we're gonna sing happy birthday. And
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
bitches off the leash. She wanna hang, she wanna hang, bang. She wanna bang, bang.
Oh my god, that person fell. I'm dead. Who is being on my boat? So like, I scared me.
Hey,
What is singing? Yeah, so we just got in and got dressed. We about to go out. This the fit for tonight. It's something chill. I gotta do my edges for like fixing because they're just all over the place. I know I haven't really been talking in this vlog because it's just been moving them around.
You get so big. I can touch you.
Don't do like that.
I can touch you.
You ain't even seen.
You know I'm your cousin.
Hey.
You know?
I'm mad because I'm about to leave.
Oh, shit. Probably she been gone for goddamn 2 weeks. Well, I got the same couch. What's like that?
Yeah. Yeah. I think there's more in there. Good morning, afternoon, whatever it is. Good afternoon, y'all. I already woke up this morning. I was so tired I went back to sleep. I'm just coming to check in. We about to have a family gathering over at my cousin's house where we're staying, and everybody about to come over here. They about to cook and we about to eat and chill. So I'm getting dressed right now. I know I look a mess. I look a hot mess. Last night we went out. It was like a lounge, but it was like a lounge for older people. But we went out there, me and my other 2 cousins, and then I met up with one of my aunts because she worked there, so I got to see her up there. I already got my outfits laid out. Even though we're gonna be in the house, I still want to put something on, but I'm just repacking everything. I got all my clothes in a pack, my clean clothes in a packing cube, and everything else I gotta re-roll up so it can all fit. But yep, y'all, the trip is coming to an end. We leave tomorrow in the morning. Our plane leaves at like 7 o'clock, so we gotta be there at like 5:30, which is crazy. I didn't know I had booked our plane for that late. I mean that early. I didn't know I had booked our plane for that early. When we was skating yesterday, I fell on my arm. Really, I fell right here, but somehow my muscle in this arm, I don't know if it's because I fell and like it shocked my muscle, because it didn't hurt when I fell. I didn't feel like on my elbow. I fell like right here, and it was cool, but my arm is sore. I don't know. So yeah, I'm about to finish rolling all of this up and getting dressed, and I'll let y'all see my outfit once I'm done. I already got my son dressed. He is out there. It's these big old jeans. I gotta do my edges. I might do a little makeup, and then I'm gonna wear my Forces. I got a new pair of these. I've been wanting some white Air Forces for a minute now, because there's certain outfits that you wear and they be like, okay, this only will go with some white Forces. Because I haven't worn Forces in years, but it was just some outfits. I'm like, okay, it will go with the white Forces. And then I already had I had these, so I'm gonna just pack these up, and I'm probably wear the white Forces on the plane.
Somewhere else, so she said she won't be back to the school for 5.
Alright, y'all, so this is my outfit. I told y'all something chill. I'm gonna have to take a picture in this outfit when I get back to Georgia, because it's a cute little chill outfit. And then I got my, so if y'all see me with this same outfit on again, don't mind me. But I'm about to do my edges. My dad already pulled up, and my brother, but we still got more people coming, so I'm about to do my edges. The camera's sitting kind of low, because I ain't bring my tripod. I need to do my edges, y'all. I need a new flat iron for my edges. This one works, but I feel like the ones that the hairstylists be using be working better. And then they be flipping your edges outwards like that. See, it's not curly. I'm not doing my makeup. I'm just gonna comb through my brows, maybe put on some mascara. And that's it.
Pay attention to her, not me.
When I got braids in, it just made me feel like the hood motivation. You know what I'm saying? That's why I had to bring out the white ones. Like it just matched the aesthetic. I go with whatever aesthetic I feel. And that's exactly what it's giving. So I kind of want to put them in a ponytail. That's cute. Do it really sticky, baby. Okay, let me go. I'm not gonna go. She's giving. I need my lashes giving. Gotta put some gloss on these lips.
Ain't no girls, you got to get off me.
Hey, you can't do that. Right now. What is this thing?
I'm like these.
Champ. Okay, calm down.
Hey.
Yeah, you put that in.
Yes. Is you okay to make it down that low? A good size. I started to get extra large listening to you, but I was like, no, let me just get large. Look at
Jeremy had me on top of the couch.
between you
Growling in my chest.
you and Rashida.
You alright, buddy? You look terrible. You look like a Williams, don't you?
I see you so handsome.
Granddaddy was Indian.
He was Indian or Puerto Rican?
That granddaddy's Puerto Rican. Other daddy's is Indian.
And black? Indian and black.
That's where y'all get that hair from.
All right, so we got our food.
That nigga ain't out.
Pizza noodles.
Cause in trial, that nigga
He
hair
over
was
here
great
eating his
as hell.
food.
That nigga whole beard was great.
It's about to be good.
She's doing too much. She'd be like, hi guys. And get yanked out.
Everybody's leaving now. This is my brother in the back. He coming. And everybody else. They about to get ready to go. Gonna say our goodbyes. Get ready for the night.
Back over here.
Pick up guitars, yeah.
I can just get out the car when she goes. Mommy, can I go with him?
Yeah. You back there.
Can I go with him?
Catch my breath. I see nothing but stars falling.
We made it back on the plane, y'all. About to head home. It is currently 6:43 in the morning. We was up at like 4. You're not gonna be able to lay down and show.
Oh, Mama, can smell.
No, you can just put your arm up. But I'm about to go to sleep. About to go to sleep.